Check out this Briggs & Riley upright carry-on piece of luggage. Now this is just a fantastic piece of luggage. There's so many pockets within this compartment. And you can place like some papers within this pocket. And there's even some extra pockets within this pocket, which is just amazing. So you can place your valuables in here, or even like, use for like battery powered banks perhaps. It's just a great suitcase. So if we open up the top, we can then see what is inside, and you can check that there is a place for some hanging clothes. Now this is just opens up so that you can then hang some clothes and have them, folded up in your suitcase, ready to go. But it's just a really awesome, thing to have within your suitcase. So you don't have to have, if you need to hang like a suit, perhaps you can use this little pocket and slash compartment. So if we open up the rest of the suitcase, we can see all the different pockets within the main part of the suitcase. There are several on the left side here that can hold like socks or underwear or anything that you need. If you wanted to have some extreme valuables to place within your suitcase underneath all the clothes, you can place them in this zipped up pocket, and then even use this elastic pocket to hold like maybe some shoes perhaps. And it just really creates so many different ways that you can pack in your clothes and use them in a carry-on bag. So this is just a fantastic carry-on upright suitcase, and we can even use the bar here to lift up to various levels so that we can carry it along with us, just like so. So this is a great suitcase. Highly recommend grabbing one of these if you can, and I hope you enjoyed this review, and I'll see you next time.